Have you ever noticed how one careless comment, one rude message, or one small inconvenience can hijack your entire day, as if someone else grabbed the remote control of your emotions and pressed chaos on full volume? But what if I told you that anger is not something that happens to you? It's something you allow. And the moment you realize this, your life quietly but powerfully changes. Because true calm is not about avoiding difficult people or stressful situations. It's about mastering yourself in the middle of them. And Stoicism teaches us this simple yet uncomfortable truth. You don't control events, you control responses. And that difference decides whether you live in constant frustration or quiet strength, because most anger is born from expectations. Expecting people to be more considerate, more fair, more like you. And when they fail, you suffer. Not because of what they did, but because reality didn't match your imagination. So the first shift is letting people be who they are without handing them the power to disturb your peace. The second shift is dropping the exhausting need to be right all the time. Because every argument you win at the cost of your calm is still a loss. And choosing peace over ego is not weakness, it's intelligence. Then comes one of the hardest lessons, not letting words define your worth, because criticism only hurts when it confirms a doubt you already carry inside. And once you stop seeking validation, opinions lose their grip. You listen when feedback helps you grow, and you ignore it when it only exists to provoke. Equally important is learning to protect your energy by setting boundaries, because saying yes to everyone else often means betraying yourself. And boundaries are not walls. They are filters that decide what deserves your time and emotional investment. And when negativity comes, as it always will, remember that silence is often the most powerful response. Not every attack needs a defense, not every insult needs an answer, because reacting emotionally gives others control. While calm silence takes it back, gratitude then becomes your secret weapon. Because you cannot hold anger and gratitude in the same moment. When you train your mind to notice what is still good, frustration loses its fuel, and even criticism can be reframed, not as an attack, but as information, something to either use for growth or discard without resentment. And finally, the ultimate Stoic strength is mastering the art of letting go, releasing grudges, resentment, and the illusion that holding on to anger protects you, because it doesn't. It only weighs you down. And the moment you let go, you feel lighter, clearer, stronger. So remember this: no one can steal your peace without your permission. Anger fades when awareness rises, and calm becomes your natural state when you stop trying to control others and start mastering yourself. And if this message helped you even a little, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, and comment below what situation you're choosing to stay calm in today.